In the previous tutorial, we reduced the length of our Python program by half by removing coding inefficiencies. But could we get a further reduction by looking at the methodology that was used to go around the moon? Our original Blocky program only used the basic version of Blocky, not the intermediate version, and therefore only had three types of turns: a 45-degree turn, a 90-degree turn, and a 180-degree turn. That meant that the plan of going around the moon had 4 turns. Because Python is more versatile, perhaps we could have a plan for going around the moon with just 2 turns. Here is such a program, like this: forward, turn, forward, turn, forward, stop. And so a change in our methodology allowed us to decrease the length of our Python program to 17 lines, 1/3 the length of the original program. This is a pretty good optimization. Thank you for watching.